our second activity for today is still 5.2, reflecting points on the coordinate plane. We're just looking at the second part. So you're still going to be on workbook page 30. So number 1 says predict the coordinates of R after a reflection over the y-axis. So remember that our y-axis is our vertical axis here. So now we're pretending like this purple line, or the y-axis, is our mirror, and we're reflecting it or flipping it over that line. So if we were to flip over the line, our original distance of R from the line of reflection is 3 units. So I know that R prime is also going to have to be 3 units away from the line of reflection. So R prime would be at -3, +2. So we can see when we compare the ordered pair 3, 2 to -3, +2, I can see that it's my x values that are changing sign and my y values stay the same. So xy becomes -x, +y. So x switches signs and y stays the same. Awesome. Okay, so looking at a few more examples, let me scroll up a little bit. If the point 5, 9 were reflected, so let's put 5, 9 up here, using the y-axis as the line of reflection, what would be the coordinates of the image? Well, instead of going to the right 5 up 9, now I'm going to go to the left 5 up 9. So I still want to be 5 units away from the line of reflection. It's just in the opposite direction. So instead of 5, 9, my ordered pair would be -5, 9. For 12, 9, I would go over 12, up 9. Now I'm 12 units away from the line of reflection. I want my image to also be 12 units away from the line of reflection. So my image would be at -12, 9, because I'm just going in the opposite direction. 145, 9, instead of going to the right 145, up 9, I'm going to go to the left 145, up 9. So my image would be -145, up 9. So again, when I reflect over the y-axis, my ordered pair xy, the x switches signs. So if it started out positive, now it's going to be negative. If it started out negative, now it's going to be positive. And my y value stays the same. So it's the opposite for reflecting over the x-axis.